Hi guys, today I'm opening this Stitch thing from Minnie. So I really don't want this one, but I'll take anyone else. Okay, so let's unbox it. I'm so excited, y'all. I've been waiting for like so long. This came from China, y'all. One second, y'all. I'm gonna open this. Okay, we got it open. Let's see. Oh, I got the one I didn't want, but it's okay. It's so cute. I think it's so cute, y'all. Wait, is there anything else in the box? Okay, and look, it's called Strawberry Cone. Okay, bye. Guys, bye. I hope you have a nice day. Bye.